In this video, I will share simple spiral macaroni recipe. First of all, take water in a pot and add 1 teaspoon of salt and a 2 to 3 tablespoon of oil. Bring the water to boil. Then beat 3 to 4 carrots and capsicums, or you can also cut according to your choice. I boil all the vegetables slightly because I don't like uncooked vegetables. If you like uncooked, so you can also add in that way. So these vegetables are slightly boiled. Then I boiled half kg chicken and made shreds of it. The water was fully boiled and I add the whole packet of spiral macaroni in it and let it cook. After the macaronis are 80 to 85% done, I strain the macaronis and open the tap. It is very necessary to open the tap and smoke away all the warmness in it, so that it will not become sticky. Then I add 1 to 2 tablespoon oil in it and mix them so it will not become sticky again. Then add 2 tablespoon of oil in a pan and 1 tablespoon of garlic, crushed garlic. Make it golden brown and then add 1 onion and um, cook it a little bit. After that, add the shredded chicken in it and mix it. Then add the boiled vegetables in it. Then add 1.5 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, and 1.5 tablespoon of chili flakes in it. Add all the three sauces, 2 or 3 tablespoons. Now add the ketchup so that all the mixture looks baked in it. So the mixture is all ready and now we will mix the boiled macaronis in it and our simple spiral macaroni will be ready. I hope you guys understand the recipe and enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, do try the recipe and tell me in the comment section. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.